was with me, holding my hand every step that I made. And I reached this age, 70 years old. Just as the earth experiences spring, summer, autumn, and winter, human life is also marked by the seasons of its own. So all of us are experiencing it. Okay. So each phase, unique in its way, brings forth triumphs, challenges, and change. Recognizing and embracing the seasons can lead to profound personal growth and a deeper understanding of one's journey. So, aking tinanong sa kalibutan, the journey kita because we are all migrants to this earth. No? So, thank you so much for everything sa inyong pagkasigari, share this time sa akon. I couldn't thank you enough. Salamat sa inyo inyong pag-share sa time sa akin.